Introduction to Automated Backups with 7-Zip.
Keep your important files safe by scheduling regular backups that are automatically compressed with 7-Zip. Automating this process helps protect your data from accidental loss, saves disk space, and reduces the hassle of manual file management. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up automatic scheduled backups using the free and powerful 7-Zip tool.
What is 7-Zip and why use it for backups?
7-Zip is a free, open-source file archiver that offers strong compression and support for many formats. By using 7-Zip for your file backups, you can significantly reduce the size of your data archives, making storage and management easier. Its command line capabilities make it ideal for automation, especially when combined with scheduling tools already available in your operating system.
Writing a basic backup script with 7-Zip.
To automate backups, you need a script that tells 7-Zip what to compress and where to save the archive. Start by creating a simple batch file, for example, using Notepad with a line like 7ZA C backups mybackup.7z C important files /. This command archives all files in your important files folder, saving them as a compressed .7z file in your chosen backup directory.
Scheduling the backup script with Task Scheduler.
Windows Task Scheduler allows you to run your backup script automatically at regular times. Open Task Scheduler, create a new task, and point it to your batch file. You can set the script to run daily, weekly, or at any interval you prefer. This ensures your files are backed up without any manual effort required.
Tips for reliable and secure backups.
For best results, keep your backups on a separate drive or cloud storage. Consider enabling 7-Zip's password protection and encryption options for sensitive files. Test your backup and restore process periodically to make sure everything works as expected. With these steps, you can rely on your automated, compressed backups to keep your data safe and organized.